Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make icing for toaster strudel. Let's start with the fundamental ingredients. You'll need powdered sugar, which is key for that smooth texture. Next, a little milk or water will provide the necessary liquid to bring it all together. Don't forget vanilla extract for that classic, comforting taste, and a tiny pinch of salt to perfectly balance the sweetness. These simple items are all you need to begin your delicious icing journey. Now, let's get to mixing for that perfect consistency. Gradually add your liquid to the powdered sugar, whisking continuously until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. If your icing is too thick, add a few more drops of liquid. If it's too thin, simply whisk in a bit more powdered sugar. You're looking for a thick, yet pourable consistency that will beautifully drizzle over your warm strudels. Ready to get creative? You can easily customize your icing with different flavors. For a bright, tangy twist, try adding some fresh citrus zest. If you're a chocolate lover, whisk in a tablespoon or two of cocoa powder. A dash of cinnamon or nutmeg can add a warm, spiced note, perfect for fall. Don't be afraid to experiment with other extracts like almond or peppermint to find your favorite combination. Once your toaster strudels are warm, it's time for the best part. Applying the icing. Drizzle it generously over each pastry, creating those iconic lines. Let the icing set for just a few minutes to firm up slightly before serving. For those looking to enrich their financial knowledge, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals. Any leftover icing can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for your next batch of delicious strudels.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.